Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yeah, we've had a Christmas prezzie arrive from Germany. My good friend Franky Goes To Hobbywood has sent dear old Festa a nice little Crimbo care package. So let's just have a quick adjust of the old phonykins and see whether we can get all of this in shot for you peeps. So yeah, nice big old box there of goodies. So let's just have a quick look. I'll just pull the message out to one side, put that in there. Let's have a look. Let's have a look just to make sure it's not too private. Hello Colin, he says, sorry it took me such a long time to send your birthday prezzies over to you. Oh, now that it's the festive season, the prezzies turned into a colourful mixture, bless. He wishes me a very Merry Christmas and an Happy New Year to me and my beloved ones. Regards, Franky. A massive thank you, Franky, as usual, mate. Thinking of you because he's currently undergoing a bit of rehab, bless him, because he's been a bit poorly unwell. So hopefully it's going according to plan. Hopefully your recovery is going the way you want it to, mate. And yeah, we will convene in the new year, mate. So let's have a looky, Lou. I've cut the tape and covered the addresses up. Now, how do I best do this? Let's try and figure this out. Yeah, if I carry on with plan A and see whether I can just leave that and keep that up there out of the way. Like that. He says optimistically. Let's just have a play a minute because the old flap's a bit stiff there. There you go. That's better, people, isn't it? Look at that lot, eh? Oh, isn't it, eh? Eh? What a treat. What a treat. Look, we got some, oh, I forgot to say the big words, didn't I? We got some Ehrenkonft, I think. Let's put my other lenses on top of my glasses because I am a bit blind. Ehrenkonft. It's basically with rum punch, filling, and I'm not sure what this says. Sauerkirch Suffagli. So yeah, it could be Turkish delight by the look of the picture. But look at that. Whoa, isn't it, eh? Chockies. We do like chockies, folks. We do like a bit of chockies. We've also got some Milka. What's that? Fine. Kugeln. Leekuchen. Jesmak. There you go. Some nice chockies there. The old gingerbread gives it a weight to me. Look at that. Whoa, isn't it, eh? Have you some of that? I tell you, I'm going to be a right polka come the new year, and I, eh? So we've got a packet of them. Oh my God, I've just seen what's poking out there. And we have got some Erdnum, what's that? Erdnum-Locken. Oh, it looks like, what's his name? The old nuts, monkey nuts. Yeah, have you a bit of them? Look at them, mate. Whoa. I'll tell you, he's proper feeding me up, mate. He's fattening me up, isn't he? We've also then got some Mediterranean, what are they? Naturals Mediterranean gamous. Oh, what's that mean? Not quite sure. But look at that. Mediterranean tasting Crispos even. Look at them. What? Yeah, my missus will be saying, you're about 45 stone now, Cole. What have you been eating? Oh, look at that. Dave's going to love that. Look, Jaffa cakes. Festa's only gone and got Jaffa cakes. Oh, mate. You are a lifesaver, Franky. Oh, mate. You legend, you. Yeah. Oh, mate, they're going to be proper in the man cave snaffling, they are, mate. Let's put them there. I'm trying to handle everything with the most... oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. All the different bikes of yesteryear on there. I just imagine my missus sat in there, mate, with her bullet helmet on. Yeah. Oh, look at that, mate. Some classic machinery on there. That is beautiful. I like that. Let's have a look at the clampage of clampageness. Look, folks. Look what we got in there. More chockies. Oh, mate, I am proper going to be made up here, Frank. Look at that. Yeah, I am going to be proper eating them bad boys. And I'll tell you something, that's going to sit nicely on the bench, you know, when I'm done. Yeah, I will keep that as a nice storage vessel. Yeah, I can see that sitting just over in the corner there. Thunk, have you knew a bit of him, mate? What can I say? Frankie knows that I've got my cherished Opel Monza GSE, folks. And look at that, he sent me over a nice die-cast replica of it. And yeah, because my Monza's going to be going to a new home in the new year, because sadly Festa's unable to drive any longer. I've got to give me driving licence back because medically I'm too far gone. And I've kept my Monza since I got it way back in the early 80s, 85 model it is. And it's been all around the country with me. It's been to Europe, it's been all over the place. And it is a massive vehicle to drive. And I've never seen a model of it. I've got a tiny incy wincy die-cast years ago that I managed to find. But this, Frankie, honestly, mate, is going to have pride of place on Festa's shelf of shelfness, mate. Look at that, folks. And you've got to admit, even stationary, an Opel Monza just looks a beautiful vehicle. And yeah, I've had many trips with the boys in the back of there when they was young kids, gunning down the motorways and over there on the autobahns. And yeah, could tell a story, but sadly I won't be able to get behind the wheel again, so I've got to make a conscious decision. And Frankie, mate, that is stunning, mate. I don't know what to say. Festa's getting all blubbed, mate. But yeah, and there's a nice magazine there with the history of the Monza. But they are, and I'm gonna be taking a load of pictures of her before I let her go, just for old time's sake. But yeah, so you'll get to see the beast, as we used to call it. And look at that, absolutely stunning, Frankie. Don't know what to say, mate, apart from a massive thank you to you. And yeah, that is going to take pride of place on the Festa shelf of goodness, mate. You are an absolute star, mate. You really are. Folks, honestly, I think you'll be pretty impressed with that, won't you? Look at that. In it, eh? Whoa. Yeah, proper made up, mate. So I'm going to keep her in there for safekeeping for the moment. And then I'm going to, what's her name, sort my big shelf of shelfness out. And then I'll send you over some nice pictures, Frankie, of her on display, mate. And yeah, top bloke, mate. Because, yeah, you're a legend, mate. Thank you so much, Frankie, for your kindness. I am genuinely made up, mate. So we're going to pop everything back in there for safekeeping. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all the best, mate, with your ongoing recovery, Frank, because you've been through the wars this year. And hopefully, mate, the new year is going to bring you a lot more respite and relief for everything that you've been through this season, mate, or this year, should I say. So, like I say, a massive gesture of kindness from Frank there. I am genuinely made up, mate. And Frankie's got a YouTube channel, so head over there. The link is in the description below this video. pop over and give him a nice subscribe, because he is a genuinely decent fella, and he's thought of dear old Festa yet again, mate. So Frankie, thank you very much, my friend. Big Christmas wishes to all and every one of you out there, and I will see you in the new year. Take care, stay safe, love you all. Bye bye for now. Bye. Noises.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,